Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
Hello guys! For today, I will share to you my version of pasta spaghetti. Everyone's favorite, lalo na sa mga kids. So tara, samahan nyo na naman ako sa aking journey of cooking. Let's start! So here's my ingredients guys. Of course, we have own version and masasabi ko lahat masarap. So of course, meron tayong ground beef. I think more than 1/4 kilo to. Tansya-tansya na lang for me. And then, of course, I will put ham. So, kung wala pa kayong ham, you can put hot dogs, sausages. And, of course, I will put fresh tomato. And make sure na tanggalin nyo yung buto para hindi maasim. So, alam nyo guys, every time I make my spaghetti, I put fresh tomato. Okay? And then, of course, the onion and garlic. And then, I will put, kakaiba to sa akin, I will put enoki mushroom. So, kung wala kayong enoki, you can use the button mushroom, right? Or, pwede rin namang wala ng mushroom. Option lang naman to. Okay? And then, of course, I will put spaghetti sauce. Yung iba ata nilalagay nila tomato paste or tomato sauce. Yeah, and of course, gagamitin ko is butter or you can use, of course, olive oil. And meron akong basil, freshly picked from the garden. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating spaghetti pasta and ang ating pampalasa, of course, salt and pepper, and of course, cheese. So, yan lang po ang ingredients ko sa aking spaghetti. So, let's start cooking. Okay guys, the first thing that we need to do is to make pakulo. Papakuluan muna natin ang ating ground beef. Ayan. So, lutuin lang natin sa konting water. Ayan, okay? So, I think maybe 15 minutes. And then, while we cook our ground beef, pakuluan na rin natin ang ating pasta. So, boiling ng ating water. Let's put our pasta. So, hinati ko guys ang ating spaghetti pasta. Okay, so let's boil for another 3 to 5 minutes. Basta wag lang ma-overcook yung pasta, okay? Guys, so tingnan nyo, nagmamantika ng ating ground beef. So, let's put the butter. Panggisa natin. Tutuin ko muna yung ground beef. Okay, and then let's put our garlic. And then onion. Mas maraming onion guys, mas masarap. Sa spaghetti nyo, pwede nyo rin ilagay yung ground pork. Pero sa akin, mas the best ang ground beef sa aking spaghetti. Red sauce. Yung pasta natin, okay na din. Gusto mag-overcook. And then, i-drain nyo yung pasta, okay? Then, next to put ay ang ating ham. Sliced ham. So, sa mga beginners na gustong i-try ang version ko ng spaghetti na sakto-sakto ito sa inyo. This is best for beginners who wish to try recipe po na ito. And then, next to put ay lagyan na natin ng salt and pepper to taste. Pepper. Then of course, I will put our fresh tomato. Huwag kalilimutan yung fresh tomato sa inyong pasta. Sarap. Pagluto na guys yung tomato, let's put simutin, sayang. Okay, so let's simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. And okay na yan. It's up to you guys kung lalagyan nyo pa ng konting water. Serve as sauce niya. So ako, lalagyan ko ng konting water. Gnocchi mushroom. Sarap nito guys. Option lang naman yan. Let's simmer for a few minutes. All done guys. So let's put the basil, freshly picked from our tiny garden. Okay, and then hahalo na natin siya sa ating pasta. Yung pinakuluan na pasta. So yummy. So yung nakita mo na to, it's the gnocchi mushroom. Okay, let's serve. So ito na guys ang aking finished product. My pasta spaghetti, Joyce version. Yum! And medyo sweet siya guys, nilagyan ko ng konting sugar. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo kanina kasi si Vince gusto niya ng medyo sweet ang spaghetti. Para siyang bata. Yep. And the kids will love as well ang matamis-tamis na spaghetti. Parang Jollibee style, right? Okay? So that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you again on my next vlog. It's eating time now. Yummy. Sarap. Everyone's favorite. Pasta spaghetti. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now guys. I love you all. God bless. Until next time. Bye.